What is going on, guys? Welcome back to part 2 of the turbo build. Today I'm going to be removing the radiator and making room for the new one, which you see here. I got the new upper radiator and lower radiator hoses, which I'll be replacing. So yeah, basically I'm just going to be removing all this, the stock fan shroud and everything like that. I'm not sure yet what kind of fans I'm going to be running, whether I'm going to be running the aftermarket slim ones with the housing or just the slim fans to make some clearance for the intercooler piping. But I'm going to be doing that today, and hopefully hooking up all the fittings and all the water lines and everything like that. Maybe, just maybe, I can mount the turbo today on the manifold. So as you can see there, kind of ready there to go. Aside from that, should be a pretty straightforward video. Let's get to it. So the radiator's out, as you can see now. There's a lot more room. Unfortunately, that room is not gonna stay that way. It's gonna get cramped back up again, especially because of the radiator. It's actually a little bit thicker. There's not going to be room for that. Now I am going to be replacing the upper radiator hose, that hose back there, and the lower one down there. It's gonna go right up here. Stock like tension clamps, these, whatever they're called, if they leak, Alright guys, so we have a little dilemma. The new radiator, I didn't even notice. I have no idea how I might have missed it, but if you notice on this side, there's no hardware, there's no mount, there's no nothing for this, because I need to reuse these little rubber mounts things, so that way these can sit, in these tabs in here. Yeah, right there, those tabs right there. So there. So because those doesn't have it, I can't use this radiator now, which sucks because now it's gonna delay my installation. So I was able to get all the radiator hoses in, which is good, the upper, lower, and the midsection, so that's good. So now guys, there's gonna be like it's gonna be in the same video, but it's gonna be like a two-part thing for this. So welcome back to day 2 of the radiator install. I did get the new radiator in. It was a couple days, I was actually a week out. Had to send it back, but I did get another one, and actually it worked out even better in my favor because I did find a complete radiator and shroud kit for about the same price that I bought the other original, or just the other radiator alone. So it actually ended up working out pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. This one does come with the 2 brackets on the sides that I showed you guys in the previous clip that were missing. So this should go in very, very easily, and I'll be able to start mocking up the intercooler piping. So I'm pretty excited, guys. Let's get to it. Here's the radiator, as you can see. Actually, another funny thing, these are actually broken. They're broken, but I already talked to the company, and they're gonna send me 2 fans. They're actually gonna get here in a couple days, so it's not a big deal. But yeah, this is the new thing. So as you can see, it came with the shroud already, and it came with these brackets, the mounting tabs for the radiator. So yeah, actually it's a little bit better quality than the other one. So it's pretty nice. So this is obviously gonna go in there, and yeah, let's get to it, guys. Alright guys, the radiator is in now, as you can see right there.